For number 51, we're using this information, and if you want to hear this part read, go back to number 50. But 50, excuse me, 451, it says, for every hour that Marcia spends making frames in the second week of December each year, she donates $3 from that week's profit to a local charity. This year, Marcia made 4 large frames and 2 small frames. So I think that's pretty important. I'm going to underline that. 4 large, 2 small in that week. Which of the following is closest to the percent of that week's profit Marcia donated to the charity? So we have the percent of the week's profit is going to be the amount donated over the total amount that she actually made. And so let's figure out the amount donated first. We have 3 hours, or $3 for every hour that she worked. And if we have 4 large and 2 small frames, if we look back here, she's taking 3 hours to make a large frame, 2 hours to make a small frame. So the hours worked is going to be 3 for a large frame times 4 large frames made, plus 2 for a small frame times 2 small frames made. This would be 12 plus 4, or 16 hours. And then for each hour she's donating, so this is the charity donation, $3. So 16 times 3, we would have 48 as our number going on the top. So she donated $48. The total amount she actually made, though, is going to be based on this expression, 30S plus 70L. That's the profit she makes on each frame. So 30S, 30 times the number of small frames she made, that's 2, plus 70 times the number of large frames she made, that's 4. That's going to give me my denominator. This would be 60 plus 280, which is 340. So that's the number that's going on the bottom. And then from there, let's use a calculator to figure out that percent. So 48 divided by 340, that it looks like is about 14.1%. So I'll make that approximately 14.1% right there, and that is closest to choice C, 14% for number 51.